This is my 2025 Polaris Ranger NorthStar. I know it don't look like a 2025, but when you work in the oil and gas field, you go through some stuff. But I'm gonna show you some accessories that I carry around, because you don't know where you might be at certain places. You may have a flat, or you may need help with something, but I'm gonna just show you inside. I got the AC going, but as you can see right here, I bought me one of these holders for my phone. And you see that little fan right there. It's pretty cool in here right now because it got the HVAC system. You can turn this fan on, see, and it's blowing the air right on me. So you got 3 different modes there. See, 1, 2, 3 different modes. And you see this bag right here, I also purchased there. And I got a lot of this oven. Hey man, you got to get you one of these. You plug this in. I'm gonna unzip it here. You can put your container in there. You put some soup, warm up pizza, whatever. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter here and give it about 45 minutes, whatever you got. It'll get up to 200 and something degrees. So it'll keep stuff hot in this little oven. And I'm gonna go in the back and show you some more things right here. I got this kit right here. This is a tire plug kit. And I also got me a grinder with all kind of different wheels on there, cutting wheels. You got polishers and 1/4-inch grinding wheels. You got everything. So, and I also got this right here, this inverter. So my DC to AC. So I also got this air compressor to charge things in. I got me a welding hood. But I'm gonna open this kit up right here and show you what's in this tire kit, this tire plug kit. Okay, I got the kit open. It comes with some gloves. It comes with some needle nose pliers. It comes with a tire gauge, a little knife. You got some Allen keys. You got some caps, extended caps. You got to remove your stem. You got stems right here. And you got stem plugs, and you got lubrication, and you got some of these caps in case you lose a cap like me. I forget to put them back on. And you also have your plugs right here. I think it's 50 of these, and this in this one kit. So, and it tells you how to do it right here. And I like it because it's red. I know where it's at. I just look for a red case, and it's a lot of stuff. So if you got ATV or you working in the oil and gas field, make sure you got some stuff to fix flats, to change tires, some tools, and make sure you got this kit. Also, I have this little stand here. As you can see right here, this is pretty neat. You can just put that in your cup holder and twist it, and you can put stuff on top of it. You see right there, and you can use it as a tray to put your food, and I just throw other stuff on it. And also down here, you have this desk. You can put on your steering wheel, and you put your computer on it and type, or you can put your alignment sheets and all that other stuff in there. I know it's junky in here, but I clean it once every 2 or 3 weeks, just sort things out. But make sure you get one of these grinders. You never know, you may have to cut a lock off and get out of here. Sometimes you out here by yourself and everybody else leave and they lock everything and don't give you the combination. Hey, this grinder take care of you right there. All right. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.